Guys, we're talking egg white cocktails. Egg white. You say eggs? Egg white cocktails. Yes, eggs in cocktails. I know it's off-putting. It sounds crazy. But guess what? It creates body. It creates a froth. It's almost like a shake. It's nice. Delicious. So, when someone asks and approaches me for a whiskey sour, my go-to question, first of all, I'm never getting sour mix off the gun. I can't. I just don't mess with sour mix off the gun. That is synthetic. It's processed. It's disgusting. It's not real. It's not an option. So if I ask for a whiskey sour, fresh lemon juice, simple syrup, or honey. In this case, we used honey. And we didn't just use any honey. We used some real potent goodness. The reason why this is a sour, basically a sour diesel New York sour, is because we use THC honey here. THC honey. What does this say? Put in your coffee, using your tea, add to barbecue sauce, make a dressing, lick off your partner. This is a versatile product here. We're going to break these down. I'm going to walk through. I'm going to show you how to go about making these, and you'll be fine. If you don't have THC honey, if you don't know somebody who can make you THC honey and you don't have access to that, go ahead and just use regular honey. Just keep it to spec. You don't want it to get too sweet, too out of hand. Make sure that that balance is on point. And go ahead and just spark a joint. You can get the same effect. A little drinking, a little sipping, a little smoking. You're going to be in a good place. Okay? You guys enjoy. I'm happy to share these with you. Hopefully you can benefit. Hopefully you can execute it. And hopefully you can taste it, savor it, and share it yourself. All right? Cheers, guys. Thank you. Let's go for our organic egg white. Citrus. Half-ounce sweet. We're going to supply the rest. That 1/4 ounce extra to our THC honey. Now for our booze, we're going to split the difference for the whiskey with an apple brandy with 1 ounce, 3/4 of an ounce really, 3/4 of an ounce rye. Now we're going to dry shake. The reason why it's 1.5 ounces and not 2 whole ounces on the booze for this sour is because we're going to top it with red wine, and that's going to displace the alcohol content. So here we go. Let's dry shake. Hell of a dry shake. Wet shake. You want to chill it. You don't want to get down. Nice and aerated. Now we're gonna go ahead and top it with that red wine. If you want to let it sit for a second and let that body build up on the surface, that's the best way to go about it. Here I'm kind of pressed for time. Go ahead and give it a go. Finally, give it that citrus hit. Make sure it doesn't have that skunked nose. Give that citrus hit. You have a modern classic, a beautiful sour D New York sour with THC honey, Laird's apple brandy, a little Bulleit rye, fresh lemon, and that's your beautiful whiskey sour, guys. Cheers. Damn, that's really good. Damn, that's good.